to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp and make sure that you logged into your account. Open the particular chat section and open any conversation. Now long press the message to select it. Tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Tap Copy. Now open your keyboard by tapping the message icon at bottom of the screen. Here you will see the option of four dots. Simply tap on it on your keyboard. Now you will get different icons like here, the clipboard icon, GIF icon and many more. Simply tap on the clipboard icon and here you will see the copied message. In order to delete the copied message, tap and hold the message and tap on delete button. Once you do that, you will successfully delete the copied messages on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.